Welcome to the Harry Potter puppets. What's that mysterious ticking noise? What's that mysterious ticking noise? It's kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, snipe, snipe, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snipe, Severus Snape.
Dumbledore.
Snipe, Severus Snape.
Ron.
Snipe,
Ron.
snipe,
Ron
Severus
Weasley.
Dumbledore.
Ron. Ron
Severus
Weasley.
Snape.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. Hermione. Weasley.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. Hermione. Weasley.
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Hermione.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Snape.
Harry.
Dumbledore.
Hermione. We're singing our
song
song all day long at Hogwarts. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, I found the source of the mysterious ticking noise.
Yay!
Yay.
It's a pipe bomb.
Hermione.
Oh,
Hermione.
no. Okay, Gummy nailed it.
Goodbye.
Go, guys.